Hello, my name is Yusuf Ramzi, and today we will talk about decorators. First, of course, you know me. Do you know me? Of course not. So, who am I? My name is, as I said, Yusuf Ramzi, and I'm currently working as a Python full stack developer at an Egyptian company called Flirstick. And my education, I graduated from Faculty of Engineering at Alexandria University, close to 2016. Communication and Electronics department. My major was in electronics, and my graduation project was a software tool that automates some process in hardware design, digital design. It was with mentorship with Mentor Graphics Egypt, and by the end of that project, we published a paper with the result of that project. And okay, my experience. At first, I started to work as an RP engineer, which stands for robotic process automation. It's a technology that we that let us automate the business processes and run a robot to do the systematic tasks for us. And after that, it was in this job was my employee was called he's called Renzi 60. After that, I started a new job as a Python backend developer with Flirstick Egypt. Flirstick is an outsourced company that has a lot of clients in all over the world. One of these clients is called Sienna, which is I'm working with right now. They have a partnership with each others, and I'm currently working on one of the Sienna project called Sienna Design Engine, and it's an automation tool for to Sienna partners to automate the process, the network design process for network engineers. I'm currently working with the Sienna for about 3 years, and I will move on in the next month to a new company, which is Voice, Vodafone VIS. Okay, today we will talk about decorators in Python. In general, in Python, decorators is a tool that allows a programmer to modify the behavior of a function or class. But let's not talking about programming first. We can talk about a real time, uh, a real situation. So, for example, if we let's assume that we have a gift shop, and this gift shop serve a lot of gifts for example, boys and girls, children in general, and we want to make a function to wrap these toys in a specific gift box. And at this case, the function in that case will be the gift box itself, and this gift box will decorate or wrap these toys to a new gift box to be wrapped in a gift box. And after that, we have like a function, or let's call it a function which is a wrapping function, and or the wrapper function in general. Okay, so the box here is the wrapper function that wrapped all the toys in a wrapper box in a gift box. Okay, let's get back to programming. So simply a decorator is a function that takes another function, which in our case the toys, and extends the behavior, which, which is the wrapping of that function, without modifying the toys or the function, the main function itself. Okay, let's assume a scenario that we have like we need to write a function to create an email format for us, mail body format. So simply any email consists of three parts: the greetings, the body, and the signature. So the greetings and the body almost we can say that they almost fixed for all emails, which but the body itself is different from email to another. So let's say that we need to create a function to print a body in 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 uh, in a regular way. We can say that this function will be something like that. I'm talking about the opportunity to work with you. That the function will be print. So when you execute this function, it will just print this word or this statement. But if we want to wrap this function in email formatter, let's call that function email formatter, which is the decorator in our case. And this decorator will print something before that function and after that function. In our case here, this format, or this decorator will print hello teammate before the function, and after that will execute this function, which will be passed to the decorator. And after the function is called, we will print another statement, which is best regards user from. Okay, so in that case we have a decorator function that can be that we can decorate the main function to make our destination. So in the final statement we will just do the decorator in Python is called by adding the add statement, add character, and the formatter function or the wrapper function, and after that the body of the function itself that we need to decorate. So after that uh, we will uh, we will get the final version of our mail body by just passing typing the body here that we want, and all the greeting and the signature will be the function that will be the responsibility for our decorator function. Thank you.